This is a review of Clark's Nebulae shoes and what I discovered about them. Here it's a size 9, and I wore these one evening for a few hours, and even though they look really nice, they started to hurt rather quickly. And I have sensitive feet, so I'm pretty aware of what's going on down there. So upon arriving home, I wanted to investigate what was going on with these shoes. So I looked inside, and sure enough, it does have a removable insole, as you can see. And I saw that it was not very thick or providing much cushion at all. It's very flimsy, actually. They both come out. Take a look inside. And interestingly enough, I found something that I've never seen in any other shoe, where the heel is some hard plastic thing, and it comes out like this, and it's not very comfortable at all. It's quite hard, as you can see. And here's the other one, and looking inside, it creates a cavity, so this is not comfortable at all. And further, this heel thing is actually higher than the arch in the middle. So you have a lifted heel without much cushioning and not comfortable at all. So seeing how this is actually a pretty rugged shoe otherwise and pretty versatile for all occasions, I decided to see if I could modify things a bit, which I did by first creating cutouts of the heel, cardboard cutouts, as you can see. And from this, I used a towel, pretty thick towel, to create a padding that could go into the hollow of the heel. And I'll show you what I did. And here is the towel cushion in this other pair that I have. This is a size 10. And so we have this soft bed now underneath. Instead of this hard thing, we have a soft bed, which I have secured with tape. And there are several layers. And I used the cutout to cut several layers of a towel. And I did it on both of them. And now for the top part. So for the top part, I found Dr. Comfort's insole. And this is called the Heat Moldable insole. And this is a size 10 for a shoe size 10. And size 10 fit perfectly in this shoe. I required no cutting at all. Maybe 10.5 would be too small. Or rather, this would be too small for 10.5. If you've had a 9, you would naturally buy a 9. Basically, the size 10 fit perfectly in the size 10 shoe. And this went inside, and it pretty much worked. It's very comfortable now, and the top part is soft and provides good support. The bottom part of the Dr. Scholl insole, I'll show you again, is actually stiff and durable, which is needed because you still have this plastic middle part. So this provides a good support on the bottom, and the top is pretty soft. There's a give to it, and basically this worked for me, and now I use these shoes much more comfortably. One thing is that the Dr. Comfort insole does give less space for your feet. So with this setup, now I use them without socks, because otherwise with socks my foot wouldn't fit in here. If I really wanted to use a pair with socks, I would buy a size 11 shoe and then size 10 Dr. Comfort insole, and then that would allow me to use a sock. But as it is, I don't use these shoes too often on a rare occasion, so I don't really have a problem with wearing them barefoot, and it's quite comfortable now. Comfortable now, much more so than when we had this flimsy and hard thing going on. I mean, believe me, these things are rock hard.